Hello everyone. For today's Murphy Law Monday, I want to touch on a lesser known fact about myself and my capacity as serving as guardian of people's property in the state of Maryland. Now, what is a guardian? A guardian is a person who steps into your role as an individual and helps you fulfill the day-to-day needs that relate to your property. So there's two types of guardianship. There's guardian of the person and then there's guardian of the property. What usually happens in court cases involving the elderly and minor children is that a guardian from a court-appointed list has to be appointed to serve in that role. And I am one of the youngest attorneys in the state of Maryland to serve in the guardian of the property role as a fiduciary for people who cannot pay their own bills, who cannot file their own taxes, who cannot manage checkbooks and make sure accounting is done correctly. There are a plethora of things that I do as the guardian of the property. And you don't necessarily have to be an attorney to serve as guardian of the property. You can be an individual. You can be Uncle Billy's wife serving as the guardian of property for Uncle Billy. But then there are situations where you have to alert the court and keep the court updated with the finances of the person that you've been appointed to serve on behalf of. And that's usually where attorneys are appointed as successor guardians. So yes, that first year you thought you could do it, but you didn't balance the checkbook correctly. And unfortunately, taxes weren't filed for that person and they got a penalty and a liability, or their property taxes weren't paid, or something happened that alerted the court that you were not correctly serving in that role. And they have to have a hearing and then they appoint an attorney from the court approved list. Now, the attorneys on the court-approved list have to be vetted by the court. They have to apply. They have to meet a certain number of requirements as far as educational courses that they've taken. They have to know how to manage people's finances. And in that role, attorneys are usually appointed rather than laypersons because attorneys have experience with doing these things on a day-to-day basis. I just wanted to give you guys a tidbit about another role that I serve in. If you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or the District of Columbia, please give my office a call. 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.